Alright, so we are going to look at an alternate tuning of a guitar. It creates a drone and it's useful for like meditative kind of music, lends itself very easily to Indian classical, but also to a lot of like West African style music as well. Alright, so what I have here is regular tuning, standard tuning, okay, of the guitar. It's basically E, B, G, D, A, and E. Regular standard tuning. Alright, okay. In the drone tuning, we let the first and second string remain as the way they are. So we leave it at E. We leave the second string at B, right? The third string, okay, that's G. We drop it down to E. So to be similar to the first string, right? This one, yeah. Then the fourth string, we drop it down from, what is it, D? From D, we drop it down to B, to be similar to, yeah. So now we have E, B, E, B. The fifth string, we drop it down all the way from A to E. So it matches the sixth string. So this provides a very heavy drone, right? And then having done this, so this is it, guys. So this is basically E, B, E, B, E, E. Having done this, now you might want to fine tune it. Sometimes it's good to flatten it slightly so that the whole instrument resonates. Yeah. So that's the drone tuning. All right.